Hi, I'm Corey Dunsky, and I am an adjunct professor here at the Anza College in Cupertino, California. I teach additive manufacturing in the Department of Design and Manufacturing Technologies. We have a project that has been going on for about a year, and recently, as part of that project, I had a really excellent interaction with Boston Microfabrication. The model that we decided to work with is a model of a famous antique motorcycle. Actually not antique, it was built in 1969 and it won a famous race called the Baja 1000. And the motorcycle is called the Baja Invader. What we've got here is a side-by-side comparison of the results that we get from our PolyJet printer and the results that BMF was able to achieve on their printers. The chain is fully functional, but if I work it in my hands, it feels like a real motorcycle chain. It has the same, full free play. It's this feature resolution that called my attention to BMF in the first place when I saw that photograph of the cardiovascular stent. BMF's technology can resolve features that I just have not seen any other technology capable of. The gaps, the clearances between those moving parts in these chains are dialed in to a level of plus or minus 5 microns. It is that tightly controlled. The last thing I want to say is how easy I found it to work with BMF. I called them up out of the blue, explained to them who I was and what we do here at the Anza and about the project. And with relatively little engagement, they signed up to do the challenge part. And they carried it through expertly. They communicated well, they were a pleasure to work with, and the result speaks for itself. So if I ever have an opportunity to have a BMF printer in this lab or any other lab and have a need to print very high resolution parts like this, their technology is